just here at Ashness Pier, or Ashness Jetty, here in the Lake District. This is Derwentwater, this lake here, where I come from. We call it a loch. But anyway, very peaceful scene, as you can see. This is quite far from where I live in Aberdeen, but we're down here for a few days for a break. And so it's about a 40-minute drive for me this morning. I wanted to get here and get this kind of blue hour just before sunrise kind of shot. And just when I got here not long ago, it was very, very dark, but it's brightening up quite a lot very quickly right now. So I'm going to get into the camera just now. I've got settings of 30 seconds, f10 and ISO 125. Now my ISO would go down to 64, but I don't want to wait for a minute for the shot really. I'm getting what I need pretty much with a 30-second shot. This blue hour twilighty kind of feel is what I'm looking for. Let me get back to this and I'll keep you up to date. Using my Nikon D810, it's just so robust, this camera, I can't tell you. Never upgraded this, I've had it for a few years because I just don't need to. It does everything I need and more. Landscapes, wildlife, portraits, anything. And I've got the 16-35 on now, but earlier I was using the 24-70 2.8, which is just my favourite lens at the moment. It's so sharp all the time. Here's a view I'm getting from just the side of the pier. That's my little ducky friend over there. And using the 24-70, that's it at 24 now, and I'm just finding it a tiny bit tight. So I'm going to try my 16-35. Let me make the changeover now. And this is the view now with the 16-35. So that takes in a bit more at the bottom. Some animal behaviour over there, and allows me a bit of leeway at the top. I don't know if I want all these rocks down here, but I'd like to have just a bit more wiggle room. So 16 could be a bit wide. Might be that I'll take a step in over here. I don't know, see if I can get that. Maybe I'll just photograph the ducks instead. It's one of those where there's an obvious shot, you know, the shot with the jetty going straight through the picture towards the hills over there. It's just what it wants to be. So sometimes you just have to give the picture what it wants. So conditions were pretty okay for that this morning. As for the other shots, I'm not so sure. There might be one along the bank here towards those hills in the back. I might just try and sneak that before I go. I suppose the good thing is you can bag the shot that you come for and then you're free to have a wander about. I don't have time to do that just now. I'm going to go down to Keswick down there and just try and get another shot. Great location, it's just by the roadside and you can easily park just up the hill. Well, I was just about to leave. I was literally leaving, and just for some reason I thought, let me come back and take one more shot here with the wide, and you can see some light is breaking through down here, just on the hills over there, or the fells. I think they call them fells down here. And that's what I've got there with the 30-second, or with the 6-stop filter. That's a Lee 6-stop filter I've got there, and that's okay. That's probably worth another go actually, just to tweak the settings, and you can see that beautiful light up there. So let's give this another minute or so, see how we get on. So I got one more shot there with the wide angle lens. Great place really, I mean, just still peaceful, tranquil, just exactly what you want on an early start. Could have used a little bit better light, but I'm okay with that. For me, all that's left to do is take the pictures into Lightroom and see how we get on there.